If you keep this shit up, this consistency, bruh, we gonna be at this motherfucker real fast. Alright?
What's up, Flex fam? Welcome back to another video. Pag bago ka dito sa channel ko, subscribe kayo at click nyo din yung notification bell and shit. At yeah, check nyo yung playlist ko, Spotify playlist ko. Link in the description down below. Mga kanta at mga pinroduce kong kanta nandun sa playlist. So yeah, check the shit out. Yeah, nagpagupit na din ako kasi maraming parents ko nagreklamo kasi mahabang buhok ko and shit. But yeah man, sa video to, ito yung second part sa studio session namin ni Shak and shit. Panoorin yung whole video na to kasi pag nasa studio kayo, iba talaga yung ang tawag dito, yung environment. So, iba yung environment pag gumagawa ka lang ng beats, tas iba yung environment pag nasa studio ka kasi yeah, like I said, you're going off the vibes sa studio pag gumagawa ka ng beats kasi pag di ka nakikirelate sa environment mo sa studio, parang hindi kayo in sync sa mga artists sa loob ng studio. You know what I mean? Pero yeah, panoorin niyo yan kasi I think I accomplished that part sa studio, sa paggawa ng beats as a producer sa studio. So yeah, may part 3 ako. Yung part 3 is kasama ko, natulog na si Shak noon, tas so nagising yung kapatid niyang si pangalan dito, si Q. So si Q is a lyrical rapper. Iba siyang artist. So panoorin niyo siya in the next video. I'm still editing the videos right now. Pero yeah, but as of now, enjoy this video, okay? Like, share, subscribe. Let me know also if gusto niyo mga tipong videos na ganito kasi probably after in a few months, di na ako magpa-vlog na like yung lalabas-labas na. Like, I'm mostly gonna spend my time in the studio na talaga. I'm gonna spend all my time sa studio na shit kasi yung music channel to, hindi to vlog channel, you know. So yeah, like I said, enjoy this video. Like, share, subscribe, bro. Oh, go back. I can't hurt my shirt. Right there, go back. Yeah. Over here, he's over here. Let me hear that. I'm trying to find the right key. Way too much, bro. I took this out. Yeah. It is too much. Not too much. If anything, it's not wide enough. If anything. Say what? Anything ain't wide enough. We got two. Coming back though.
Man, look, boy. If you keep this shit up, this consistency, bruh, we gonna be at this motherfucker real fast, right?
Hey.
You got a position on the squad. We need a producer bang out beats like this.
telling you, man. Just play some other shit right now.
Yeah.
Other vibes.
Easy, keep a couple cigarettes, but I'm scheming. These niggas ain't meaning.
Nigga, I don't. Oh, I don't. Oh, nigga. Oh.
Huh?
I don't know if I'm fucking with this sample.
No.
I feel like this is immediately gonna be the weaker one out of the two. Because of that sample.
Hold up.
We gotta try to top everything that we got. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
I got you, bro. Wait.
Yeah, you can switch that motherfucker up.
Told you, bro. Let me know what you think. I got you. I'm gonna change something up. If you're not liking it. Still not liking this one though?
Yeah, I think we need to switch it up still, but you definitely switch that motherfucker up completely. I will tell you.
Is it good now?
Yes.
Alright.
You can't like change the key or the tone of it. You could definitely change the tone, but like you change the key of the shit.
Of the what?
Oh, this happened.
Yeah. You want it higher or lower?
Lower.
Lower? Got you, bro. Look at this boy, bro.
It's an adjustment. I just don't know how to explain it.
You need an instrument, bro.
Nah, I just need this shit darker.
An 808 maybe, like a bass.
So, did you make it darker?
Pitch it down.
Yeah, keep this shit pitched. Whatever the fuck you put down. Down. Nah, it's not a bad performance.
That one?
Yeah.
This is gonna be the third one, bro.
I'm buzzing my head and it helps me out. You know what I mean? Hey, this joint right here actually snap, boy. You funny to me. Oh, you don't like the shak?
Huh?
How about now? How about now? How about now? Yeah.
You like that, huh? Shit. No cowbells for this one, bro.
No cowbells for this one.
Alright, that's good. You like this one, bro?
Yeah, we're gonna figure him out. Maybe a reverse kick.
A reverse kick. Another one.
Is there already something in there?
No, like another reverse kick. I mean, I got you though.
Signature, you feel me? I like signature shit.
Your
different scene, signature school, shit. Got the signature. I got the signature shit. Signature split, signature bitch. Signature bitch. Get it real quick.
Shades about the flex.